What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 23rd. Let's get right to the very first article. Fox Business, you know it's legit. The IRS sends out another batch of $1,400 fourth stimulus checks to 2 million Americans. And according to the IRS, it said it actually dispersed about 161 million payments. Now, if you haven't watched my last video, I highly recommend you go watch it. But if you didn't watch, I'm going to quickly summarize. Basically, the IRS and Joe Biden 100% confirmed an additional fourth and fifth stimulus package. Not only that, but also a budget of $40 trillion. And actually makes the question right here, who will actually qualify, who won't? Well, the IRS said roughly 35 to 40% of Americans will actually be eligible to receive these stimulus checks. Some people will, some people won't. And not only that, but the IRS sent me something in the physical mail, letting me know that I personally am not, legally qualified. I'm not a tax expert to help anyone on a one-on-one basis. So if you have any questions, I received about 400 to 500 comments, personal questions, business emails asking me, how do I find out if I'm eligible and I will be receiving or I won't be receiving this fourth stimulus check? Well, let me tell you right now, I personally legally have to advise you to contact the IRS personally. On the IRS website, there's a number, there's an address, I want to say there's an email. You have to contact them yourself. I'm not legally, able to assist you. And then we have this article right here, the second article, 2 million stimulus checks, including plus up payments, were dispersed in the latest round. Like I just got done saying, only roughly 40% of the people who received the third stimulus checks are actually eligible and will receive the fourth stimulus check. Again, if you're not sure if you're eligible or not, contact the IRS. I personally cannot answer you. I don't know. Please stop commenting. Please stop blowing up my business email. Again, I love you guys, but I personally can't answer the same question 400 or 500 times. I don't know. The only person that does know is the IRS. And finally, not only do we have Fox Business, another credible source, we also have right here Yahoo News sending the fourth and fifth stimulus checks to actually help keep 12 million Americans out of poverty. Comment below right now if you're watching. If you use some, if not all of the last third stimulus check to go back to paying bills, paying some kind of debt, keeping you from going homeless or becoming into poverty, guys, please comment below. I'm very curious to see how many people use some, if not all of the last third stimulus check money to actually, catch up on bills, pay bills, pay expenses, some kind of debt to keep you out of poverty and going homeless. And finally, I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know every single day I post daily videos, and in every single video, every day I give away free Amazon gift cards. I've given away over 1,358 free people free Amazon gift cards, over $23,580. And if you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do to enter is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word cake or just a cake emoji. You must hit that like and subscribe button and then leave a comment. Let's pick a winner for my last video right now. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support, the comments, the likes. I read every single comment. In the last video, we actually have 364 comments. Let's pick a winner live right now. There we go. Teresa Stinson, congratulations, orange emoji. Please email me, Teresa. You are the winner. averagetuber@yahoo.com. One word, averagetuber@yahoo.com. You have 24 hours to email me. Again, guys, if you want a chance to win, if you want a chance to receive a free Amazon gift card, hit that like, be subscribed, comment. I post daily videos and the winner gets picked in the next video. So make sure to subscribe, daily videos. And in the next video, I will actually pick the winner from this comment section like I do every single day. Let's get back to the articles. As we see right here, the very first article, Fox Business, the IRS sends out another batch of $1,400 stimulus checks to approximately 2 million Americans, which is a lot less than the 4.5 million Americans that actually received the last round of stimulus checks. Again, a lot of people ask me, I'm sorry, I cannot answer that question. I'm not qualified legally according to the IRS to answer that question or give you any tax advice. So again, I'm definitely recommending that you actually contact the IRS directly, via phone, email, or just a physical address, something in the mail. But according to the IRS, I'm legally not able to, to help you guys. I'm forced to actually keep my hands tied behind my back. I want to help people, but I'm legally not able to. But regardless, I would definitely contact the IRS because a lot of people actually did receive this or will be receiving this next week. Today is Friday, but hopefully they start sending them out today, if not next week. And then if we look at the second article right here, it's pretty much saying the same exact thing. I'm not allowed to play video on my channel, but if we just scroll right here, let me see, nearly 700,000 payments with a value of $1.3 billion went to eligible individuals from who the IRS previously did not have information. Again, right here, this batch included nearly 700,000 plus up payments with a value of nearly 1.2 billion, and another 600,000 payments went to Social Security. Again, if you are on Social Security, please check your actual bank accounts and your mailboxes. Right here, another round. I've received a lot of questions regarding SSI and SSDI. Another round of 600,000 payments went to Social Security. Overall, the sixth batch of payments contains about 900,000 direct payments, with some actually going paper checks. The IRS will continue to make economic impact payments on a weekly weekly basis. So if you didn't get it this week, keep checking it every single week. I personally recommend you check it every single day, at least until the end of next month. That's my personal opinion. Right here, reminder for those who didn't actually file, please guys, file a tax return. That's what they base this information off of. And finally, we have Yahoo Finance. A lot of people are actually hoping to receive, stimulus checks in the next 4th and 5th stimulus packages. If you didn't know, again, I'm going to repeat it. I highly recommend you go watch my last videos, but if you didn't, just to quickly summarize, Joe Biden 100% confirmed a 4th and a 5th stimulus package. And it's actually going to include a lot of stuff. If you watch my last video, I go more in detail regarding what's actually included in the stimulus package. If you didn't watch my last video, right here, watch it. But basically, a lot of things are actually included in this. But one thing he hasn't answered, Joe Biden has not went on the record and said yes or no to additional 4th or 5th stimulus checks that will actually be included potentially, allegedly, in these stimulus packages. And according to the last Yahoo article, basically that actual 4th and 5th stimulus checks can actually, hypothetically keep 12 million Americans out of poverty, because in my personal opinion, most people use some, if not all, of the 3rd stimulus check money to pay off some kind of bill, some kind of debt, to keep out of poverty, to keep from going bankrupt. So again, please comment below if that was you, if you use some of your money. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to support me, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button. I want to give away money. Enter the giveaway. Please share this on social media. If you have a Facebook, please post this on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you want to help me. Finally, if you want to become part of the best community on YouTube, please hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents, less than $1. Not only does every single penny go to charity and help someone else, but as a member, you get a bunch of cool perks. Ask anybody in the comments if they enjoy being a member. As a member, you get a diamond next chain that changes colors. You get members only emojis. You get members only access to the community tab, exclusive pictures, videos, polls, live streams, giveaway. Every single video I'm live. If you see the chat, that's my members only chat to interact with me live. Not only do I go live, I do giveaways only for members, and they can email me, and if you are a member, I will answer any question you have. Again, it's only 99 cents if you do want to join. Also in the description, I do have a Patreon. If you want to hit join on Patreon, it only costs $1. All the money does go to someone else in need. And finally, I do have a clothing line brand. If you want to support me, every single shirt is 100% cotton, very good design quality. Not only that, it's only $19.99 to purchase, 100% cotton, and all the money does go to help someone else in need. Like I said, daily videos, daily giveaways. Enter the giveaways, hit that like, be subscribed, comment. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.